YouTube family, what is going on, y'all? I wanted to do this quick video for y'all just because every time I be going to the range, if I'm bringing somebody that is new with me, or if I just run into somebody and end up shooting with them, they always see my little range stand set up and they're like, "Oh, that's cool, man. How did you do that? How did you make it? Whatever the case may be." So I want to show y'all exactly how I made it and exactly what you're gonna need to make this. All it is pretty much it's a stand that you can put your target on so you can shoot. So if you are at a range that allows you to bring your own targets and bring your own stand, you can do it. Or if you're just shooting on some private land or you own a bunch of land or private property, whatever, you can use this and shoot. And it's a very cheap option, less than $25. So definitely I want to show y'all exactly what you need. So if y'all want to get a piece of paper out and a pen, and y'all can pause this video, whatever the case may be, you can do that. But I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna need to make this, and then at the end of the video, I'll build it for you and show you what it looks like. But with that being said, man, we're starting off. The base of it is gonna be PVC piping. You can find it at Home Depot in the plumbing department. All this material that I'm about to tell you about, you can find at Home Depot. So you're gonna get some PVC piping. You need one 16-inch PVC pipe, and all the pipe I'm showing you is a 1 1/4 inch diameter. So all these pieces are 1 1/4 inch. You need one 16-inch, and then you're gonna need 6 of these 6-inch pipes. Again, like I said, it's 1 1/4 diameter. And when you go to Home Depot in the plumbing section, they just sell it by like 10 feet, or it's like 8 feet piping, so they're gonna have to cut it for you there. Just tell them you want one 16-inch and 6 6-inch, and they'll cut it for you. And then you're gonna need 4 of these little T connectors, these little elbows or whatever they're called. So you need 4 of these. And again, this is 1 1/4 diameter. All right, so let me go ahead and build it for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. You're gonna take your 16-inch and you're gonna take 2 of these T connectors and connect them on the ends here. And mine's still a little muddy just because when I go to the range, last time I went to the range, it was very muddy. So you can see your 16-inch right here with the 2 T connectors. And then you're gonna take 2 of your 6-inch and just attach it on the bottom here. Attach it on the other side here. So if y'all have these pieces and y'all following along with me, it should look like this. All right, now we're gonna build the legs. So you're gonna take another T connector here and you're gonna put it on the bottom. Damn it, I'm getting dirt everywhere. It's all good. And then you take your other T connector, you put it on the bottom. Boom, fits right in. If you following along with the video, it should look like this. Cool, cool, cool. Then you're gonna take your other legs or your other 6-inch and you're gonna build the legs. You're gonna attach them at those T's. Cool, and there's your stand. There's your stand. It should look like that. Those are your legs. It's your 16-inch, 6-inch. So the 6-inch is gonna go here, 2 6-inches here, 1 T connector here, 1 T connector here, and 1 6-inch to hold it together. And then your 16-inch goes in between to hold both of the pieces together. All right. So that's built, that's out of the way. Then you want to go to get some lumber. You want to go to the wood for the lumber. These are little cheap pieces of wood, untreated wood. They're literally like $1.50 a piece. and they come about 8 feet long. So when I tell them I go to the lumber, I just tell them to cut it in half for me. So it should be like 2 4-feet pieces. You're just gonna put these holes on the top here. You're just gonna slide these little wooden lumber pieces on the top there. Boom. Slide it on the top here. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that, but now it's standing up. And I'll get a better angle of it, but just to show you real quick. Then you get you some cardboard. This is just regular ass cardboard. You don't even have to pay for this. If you go to like when they're doing merchandising, and they're stocking up the shelves, they usually have a bunch of boxes. I just ask them for a few boxes and they'll give them to you for free. So you don't have to pay for this at all. You just have to make the cutout, and then you need something to stick it onto your sticks with. So let me show you how it looks. Cool, so y'all see it there? It's standing up on its own. That is, let me turn the camera around so y'all can get a full. So you see the base that we made here on the bottom out of the PVC, and then we put the 2 lumber pieces on the sides here. We got our cardboard and we stapled it to hold it up. You don't have to use staples, you can use thumbtacks or whatever, but having a staple gun is just the easiest thing to do, especially when you're at the range trying to set this thing up. But yeah, man, this whole project right here, I have actually 2 of them. It probably cost me less than $25, honestly. And if you're just building one, you'll probably spend like $10, $15. So this is a really cheap option. And again, it's just all it's gonna do is hold your target up so you can shoot it. And if you really want to, you can get creative with it, and you can draw like a little A zone. You can draw like a little A zone here on your target. You know what I mean? Or you can draw like a little headshot zone. And you can, run little drills and play games and stuff like that at the range, and you wanna, stay within these shots or stay within these headshots here. You can paint your target, you know what I'm saying? You can just get creative with it. So I just wanted to give that for y'all. That way y'all can see that. And if y'all want to build something like that yourselves, you can. Very cheap option, very cheap thing to do. And you can just have some fun at the range, man. But yeah, that's it for the video, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Stay blessed, man, and be strapped at all times. I'm out.